Hi everyone. Today's topic will be about the all-new Porsche 718 Spyder RS model, which has caught everyone's attention both with its interior and appearance, as well as with its technical characteristics. The Porsche brand has long been on the same list as cars that have resonated around the world for their performance, precision sports cars and luxury cars. The manufacturer's latest addition to the list is the 2024 Porsche 718 Spyder RS. This fast yet comfortable mid-engined convertible is the pinnacle of Porsche design excellence. The new Spyder RS is powered by the popular 4.0-litre six-cylinder engine, with 520 horsepower and 331 pounds-to-foot of torque. We also know that the Spyder RS will go on sale in the spring of 2024 and will cost $162,150. The Spyder RS accelerates from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, which naturally adds it to the list of fast cars. Its maximum speed is 190 miles per hour. In addition, the mid-engine format provides exceptional stability and handling. This helps the car to get out of any situation in turns or on the racetrack. The exterior of the 718 Spyder RS is unmistakably Porsche-like. Flowing lines and a safety stance emphasize performance. In addition, the car's streamlined parts, such as the coordinated rear spoiler and front splitter, look perfect and work for car care and performance. The interior of the Porsche 718 Spyder RS features premium materials and a driver-focused layout. The sport-style seats offer fantastic comfort and appeal. At the same time, the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel adds attention and extravagance. With everything taken into account, the 718 Spyder RS is a flexible vehicle equipped for conveying exciting driving on the roadway and solace on your everyday drive.